Y'all are going to Ulta Haul. Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I have an Ulta Haul today. So yeah, I did a thing. I ordered some stuff. Wasn't my worst I've ever done, but I did need some new lipsticks. Really? Okay, so let me just show you what I got. And I'm going to start with this because it's very curious. I opened the box and I saw this and I was like, oh, cute. This was free. Exclusive to the Platinum and Diamond members. And, you know, the more you spend, the higher you get. Platinum, Diamond, all that good stuff. This is a 4-piece gift with any $30 purchase that I got. Excuse me, sorry. And it's from Petite and Pretty. So you get the cute little zippy bag, which look at that. Isn't that just adorable and make you wish you had a pool to be in right now? Yes, it's the middle of winter, but I miss my pool. Okay, so you get the bag and this, get this. Okay, so there's like a whole card on this stuff. We'll just go through it. All right, so the reason I do not have lipstick on, you know, I've been sick. I haven't been feeling well. My lips are really showing it. They're dry. I keep wanting to lick them. Well, there is a glossy lip balm in here. And I really want to put it on. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to put the gloss, I can't say it. Glossy Lip Balm in Big Dreams. Yeah, Big Dreams. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, I hope it is focusing. That's so pretty. Okay, we're just gonna put it on. Okay. Yeah, you need this in your life. You really do. Oh, it smells so good and it's so sparkly. I've never tried this one before. Man, I love it. I'm trying to nail the taste, the smell, and I'm not, it's like fruity and tropically. I really like this. Yes, brilliant. Love this stuff. Oh my goodness. That lists all the ingredients that are in it. That is amazing. Oh, we're going to have to try some more of this brand. That's lovely. Oh, okay. Going on. So, you also could have got VIP Pink, but I'm pretty sure that was big. Yeah, that was Big Dreams. You know, my eyes are getting bad. I'm getting older. All right, so the next thing is this Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. Look at the packaging, y'all. Everybody's getting ready for their tropical vacations in the middle of the winter, I guess. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty. I'm curious to try this out. Maybe I will love it as much as I love the gloss, but I do have already the Rare Beauty on. So we're going to move on to the next thing, which is the Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. Very cute, individually packed makeup remover wipe. Single wipe, dermatologist approved. Cruelty free, no nuts, and paraben free. Petite and Pretty. This is a cute little brand and a cute little set. Adorable. Love that gloss. Oh my goodness. All right, so that was my free gift. Got another free gift. Yes, I went through and I was like, okay, can you get something free if I buy this? Can you get something free if you buy this? Because that's how I like to do. I like to get as much for my buck as I possibly can. So the next thing I got for being a platinum or diamond or whatever member I am is this Velvet Teddy Lipstick Mini with $25 makeup purchase. Yes, Velvet Teddy. This is a MAC and it is a mini. Look at that. It's little lipsticks. I thought it was cherries, but it's little lipsticks. Oh my goodness. It says celebrates you on the side. Let me just open it. I kind of don't want to take the lip balm off, but I intended on trying all this stuff on for you. Cute little MAC lipstick. Great size for a purse. Oh, look at that. Nice little nude color. Oh, cute. All right, well, let me take this gloss off and I'll try this one on for you. Hang on. Old school lipstick taste. Don't love those as much. I mean, not too bad. Doesn't look bad with my top. Is it the color that I would reach for all the time? Maybe with a little liner. You know, like that dark liner. All right, so let's move on. All right, the next thing I got was another free gift. It was a 4-piece gift set from Bareminerals because I did get a Bareminerals product. So, get rid of that. And, oh my goodness, here we go. Let's see if I can just look at, ooh, I love the makeup goodness. All right, I got this because I spent $25 on Bareminerals. So, let's see what's on here. Bareminerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 20 Sunscreen. So, here's a foundation, liquid foundation. This is fairly light. And it's a itty tiny bottle. Look at the baby bottle. Oh, isn't it cute? All right, let's see. Ooh, got a little spatula in there. I wasn't expecting a little spatula, y'all. All right. Let's see. Wow, okay. Doesn't look like it's going to be too bad a coverage. Maybe a little yellow for me, though. Actually covered that redness on my knuckle, though. Very interesting. I'm interested to try that on my face. But I may need something to blur it in. Look at that. You see all those wrinkles on my hand? Oh my goodness. Woo. So this is the Bareminerals Ageless 10% some kind of retinol night concentrate. Yeah, okay. I take your word for it, dude, because I can't pronounce all that. So, night concentrate. So I'm assuming it's just a retinol you put on before bed. I don't know. Apply after cleansing at night. Avoid eye area. Plant-based retinol alternatives. Okay. Well, it's not nighttime, but I want to see what it looks like. All right. I don't know much about the retinol and stuff. I probably need to be using it more. I'll try it. We'll see how it goes. All right. Bareminerals Bareminerals Mineralist Lip Glossy Balm. All right. You know we love the lips here. And this is in Sincerity. Wait, do I have Sincerity? Hang on. Yes, I do have this one already. So I'm going to show you the one I have and put that one in a giveaway later. Isn't it pretty? And I think I do have a try on video of this one already, so I'm not going to do that. But yes, pretty color. All right, this is Full Grown Lashes. Strength and length, okay? It's extreme black. I like the extreme blacks. Ooh, look at the pretty packaging, y'all. Okay. Oh, no way. It's one of them, what do you call it? It's got pricklies on it. And look at that. Can you see that it's different? Oh, it's different lengths and different spots. This is crazy. Oh, I can't wait to try this. That is exciting. I don't know. I like an interesting wand. I just think they're interesting. All right, so that was that free set. So we're gonna move into the stuff that I actually paid for. So here we go. So this is the Bareminerals Longwear lipstick. It is BAREPRO is what it's called. And this is Petal. Let's see. Very curious. I have been trying to find a good Longwear lipstick, lip stain, something that won't come off as good. You know, something will stay on a little better. My aunt is looking for it. So, oh, very cute packaging. Adorbs. Oh, pretty. Pretty, pretty. I'm gonna take this off, put this on. I'll just swatch it for you. Let me find a spot on my hand. Ooh, pretty. Nice little nudie pink lip. Very cute. Feels good on. I'm curious to see how it's going to dry down and if it's actually going to stay. But yes, I like the way it felt going on. I just did like 2 or 3 segments and didn't even record it. I don't know what I'm thinking. So what I showed you when I thought I was recording, but really wasn't, was this beauty blender. It was $20. I do like the beauty blenders. Most of the time I do use them dry to pick up any extra concealer. You know, less is best when it comes to concealer, especially with our aging eyes. So I do like to pick up extra product with this dry instead of wet. I do use them on occasion wet. Most of the time I use other ones, but I just thought I'd give it another try and get me another one. This one is a Pro. I don't know what the difference is, but this was $20, like I said. And then I also got this Per 4-in-1 Cloud Dream. This is a gel to water moisturizer. I just took a tiny bit, and since I did it, I'll do it again since it wasn't on film. Just a teeny tiny bit here, and I put it on the back of my arm, and this little bit, yes, goes straight from gel to water on your skin, and it really is nice. A little goes a long way, and it feels wonderful on my skin. I am excited to try this on my face because, oh, how nice is that? I paid $6 for this 0.5 ounce. I'm probably gonna love it. Ooh. And then here is how the lipstick dried down. Still pretty. All right, I'm gonna take it off because the next products are for lips. So I was either on a Bareminerals kick, or that was just what I got free products with because I got another one. This is a Maximal Color Minimal Ingredients Mini Lipstick Duo in Bareminerals. A $16 value. Well, it says I paid $16. It's $20 value. Hydra Smoothing Lipstick Duo. It comes in Honesty and Courage. Ooh, they are tiny. All right. Should we start with Honesty. Let's start with Honesty. Bareminerals Honesty. Little meanie. Oh, look at that, y'all. Pretty, pretty. Not as much color payoff as I was expecting, but it does feel good on my lips. Kind of the old school smell to it. Come on, lipstick companies. We don't like that old school lipstick smell. But I guess this is where the minimal ingredients comes in. They didn't want to add extras. Kind of buildable. Pretty. I think I like it. What do y'all think? Bareminerals. Where's the little label? There it is. And this is Courage. Am I gonna need courage to wear it? Ooh, girl. Look at that. It is really pretty. It does look like it's pulling a little orange on me, which is not my favorite thing, but I actually do think I could pull it off. Very nice. All right, Bareminerals. The last thing I got is from ColourPop. You know I love ColourPop. I couldn't resist. This is the Sonic Bloom Glossy Lip Stain. Like I said, looking for something. It's going to give me a little more longevity. This is the Flowerlust Mid-Tone Pink. Look at how cute. Okay. Wait a minute, what? So I'm giving this a little time to dry down. What do you think? I don't know how well it's going to stain. Let me get... Well, it definitely came off when I did that. Didn't leave color on my lips. I don't know. What do we think? So that was my Ulta haul. Y'all, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. If this is on TikTok, I will put all the links on this video over on YouTube. Link is in the bio to YouTube. If it's on YouTube, all the links are below. Y'all don't forget to subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. Have a wonderful day and God bless.